Welcome to JH. I tried the ultrasonic insect and pest repeller because I wanted a simple way to keep bugs out of my home without actually having to do any real work. What stood out immediately is just how incredibly easy it is to use. You literally just plug it in and it starts blasting ultrasonic waves, because apparently, high-frequency noise is the new front line in the war against ants. These waves are safe for humans and pets, but they supposedly make life a living nightmare for insects and rodents. It is nice to know I am finally annoying something in this house besides my neighbors. Over the first few days, I actually noticed the population of flies, mosquitoes, and even spiders started to drop off. My living space feels cleaner and more comfortable, and the best part is I did not have to spray toxic chemicals or play CSI kitchen floor with messy traps. This thing works continuously without any maintenance and covers a surprisingly wide area, so I do not have to keep moving it around like a piece of decorative furniture. It is quiet, energy efficient, and does not mess with my electronics, which is great because God forbid I lose my Wi-Fi while trying to scare off a cockroach. I also appreciate that it is an eco-friendly solution, making it perfect for those of us who want to save the planet while simultaneously evicting its smaller inhabitants. Overall, the ultrasonic pest repeller has been a low-stress way to reclaim my home from the creepy crawlies. It gives me some much-needed peace of mind, knowing my space is protected without turning my living room into a hazardous waste site. It turns out that sometimes the best way to handle your problems is just to plug something in and hope for the best.